First time I see.
The freight train isn't running today.
It's not!
It's too wet.
No, it's not 50, for God's sake! Just do it. Sounds like I'm on the bullshit. Nice, it's 3 service reports apartment, Rocky Regis. Visit 7, 4, 5. At the front and the rear is 7, 1, 5. Oh no. No, it's earlier today. So my wife will cancel all of them. What's it? No! Oh, it does to go to Bedford. Remember it.
What do you want to do?
What, to Wellington after West Croydon?
So that's in West Croydon, which takes 30 fucking minutes.
Fucking minutes? Fuck a fucking train home, why not? Kiosk mum, please now. To get a kiosk come to get a train home, please. That would be that's it. Hey. Council service, please. From Victoria. From Portsmouth, please. Bulk is in Portsmouth to go via Hove instead of. Oh, sorry, I want London Bridge. Oh no, they do. Oh, it's the London Bridge. Oh, no, I see the train to Park C in a bit. There's no C in the train to Park C in a minute. Just because London Bridge, no 54 service. Because it doesn't go to Peterborough, because it doesn't go to Croydon and go to operate through that C7 now. No, don't come to me. No, yeah, stay there. Go to that sign. Not going to Peterborough because that's just London Bridge only. Call London Bridge only. I got a straight home now. Oh, it's here to 127 or 124. Oh, no, it's 367. Oh, 2028. Just walk away from you. I went to the toilet, didn't I?
No, did, Mum.
I'm going home right now. Why not? Yeah, that's it.
Right, well, you used to talk to them. You don't talk to them.
I don't want to tan.
One step back. You want to go to West Croydon, we're going to go there.
Right, listen.
When Nerve can take 14.
I don't want to take 14. Fuck's sake. No. Alright, that's just 615. Yeah, move. The next 617 is over there. Wait a minute. Oh, cheers! 37761 at London Bridge. Someone's 142 to Brussels. Come on, no.
Get to Selhurst.
In a minute, the ferry, leave it.
Selhurst.
Nothing. Fixed price rating. 10 cars. Where's my fucking glove? Street system similar too. That's it right now. I'm doing this one, that's it, that's all one thing I want. Okay, so she's on 136. Fix one. This is 107 to the rear, because there was been pullback racing like 3 months ago. 2387 and 10 as repaired. Huh?
That's the Selhurst train. You want to go to Selhurst 30 minutes and watch us outside of the depot?
Yeah, that's just in
Have you
120.
got cold hands? The train will keep you warm.
Leave it alone, please. Leave it off me though. Just toss it right here. 4 whites in the middle. I'll get 4 white. I'm going to rest to leave the other parts. First, going to get that train. I'm going to get on this train shortly. Get on this train shortly. Get 10-10. I'll get on 10-10 shortly. Another one at the back? Yeah. Oh yeah, 4 from the boys in the rear. In a minute. Leave it alone. I'm filming in a moment. No, 700.
You just film this one?
1-4.
Then we're going to get on that one with you.
Yeah.
I don't know who's got the
Would you want to get on that one now for one to see? Should we get on that one now? You can,
After that train leaving first.
You okay?
I don't want to get a train for Saturday all the time. I don't want to do that.
Okay, alright.
First from 214 for Humbucker Regis. What's that from Humbucker Regis? Let me see this. Let me see what's these for.
No, I haven't seen it come up.
Fuck, I'm done!
You're being an idiot.
When I come to that. Control the one.
Yeah.
I want first class too high, I want this side.
You can't, can you? Not on this train.
Control door one.
There's a table for all 4 of us to sit at.
No shit, that's